I wanted to take a minute and highlight one of the really cool capabilities of the Ankerwork M650 wireless microphone, and that is the lavalier setup that you can do with it. Now, this you can use as a microphone itself. You can put it on yourself, you can put it on your subject, but I wanted a wireless lavalier system that plugged directly into my phone. So here, as you can see, the receiver is plugged directly into my phone, and this is the audio that you are hearing right now coming directly from this lavalier setup. So what do I have? I have a Movo lavalier mic. This is just I wouldn't say cheap version, but a cost-effective model that I picked up online just to test the system before I made any commitments and bought something a bit more expensive. I'm very impressed with the audio. I do like it. One thing to note is that you do need a TRS 3.5 millimeter lavalier mic. A TS or a TRRS will not work. Again, you need a 3.5 millimeter TRS lavalier microphone to use it with this Ankerwork M650 setup. Another thing that I will show you in just a second here, I will do a screen grab. I will show you what the audio sounds like. You can go directly into your computer. With this system, I'm going to be doing some live stream, so I'm going to utilize this microphone for that. Then you can also use this for any type of camera, fancy mirrorless type camera that you might have. You can use that there. So it works on pretty much all phones. You got iPhone, you got Android phones, you can plug it into your computer. You can also plug it into a mirrorless camera that has, again, a 3.5 millimeter TRS input. So let's go ahead and swivel over here. One thing that I want to show you is what I'm really using it for. Now, I create a lot of different types of content, but one of my ways or channels that I do is a lot of presentations on this board here. Sorry about the glare. This is not my typical setup here, but I wanted to show you that this is what I'll be using it for. So I'll be going back and forth here, yapping, writing, and it's great because now I'm completely wireless. It is replacing this old system that I had. This is a 12-foot lavalier microphone that plugged directly into my phone. This is what I'm replacing. Now, I am wire-free, so I can just go about, create my content, and not worry about tripping over cords. So now let's go ahead and swing back over here. And what we'll do is I will just give you a little sound check, screen record of the system to show you that. So for the computer setup, you simply take the receiver and the included adapter, you plug it into your microphone port, and then I'm using OBS here just to record my screen. So the audio you are hearing is coming from the computer setup now. And this would be great if I'm doing anything where I'm sharing my screen and I want to go over some stuff. Oh, look, here's Amazon stock. It started high and it ended low. So really has some great capabilities depending on what type of content you are creating. And that's it. As a creator, I really do like this wireless M650 from Ankerwork. I just got it. I've used it on a couple videos here. Very impressed so far, and I really do enjoy it. I'll put a link to it in the description of this video. Again, I'm not a tech blogger. I don't create this kind of stuff. I just really wanted to highlight its capabilities and show how it works for me. I've seen a lot of other great videos about it, which I'll link to as well if you want a full tutorial on some of the other aspects or specs of it. But for me, I wanted this lavalier setup and I didn't see any other videos displaying that function of it. So I thought I would share this for others who might find it helpful. So there you go. If you want to cruise around my channel, you might find some stuff interesting, but again, mostly DIY around the house type of stuff. My name is Drew Smith. I'll see you in the next one.